Hey there, aquatic enthusiasts! Today, let's dive into the world of fish care with the Freshwater Aquarium Test Strip 6-in-1 by AquaCare Pro. One of the key features is its ability to maintain water quality, ensuring that your fish thrive in a healthy environment. Unlike liquid test kits, AquaCare Pro strips are wider and feature non-bleeding colors for easier reading and handling. These strips cover all the essential tests you need for both your freshwater aquarium and pond, giving you peace of mind. Why buy more than you need? AquaCare Pro's packaging is designed for the savvy fish keeper looking to save money. With detailed instructions and round-the-clock support, you'll never feel lost in managing your aquatic ecosystem. With over 2,600 reviews and a rating of 4.5 stars, it's clear that these strips are a favorite among fish keepers. If you're convinced about the importance of maintaining your aquarium, don't hesitate to check out the link below and start your journey to better fish care.